Yeah, good evening everyone. Welcome back to my class. Sorry, it's really long time we meet. So this evening we're looking at simultaneous linear equation, and to solve this topic, we have different methods to solve it and we use to solve it. We have the elimination method, we have the substitution method, and we have the graphical method. Alright, but this evening we're starting with substitution method, and after this I'll go to elimination method. After this we'll go to graphical method. Alright, so we have to substitute. Yeah, let me just explain what substitution means. Substitution, just the way I will explain it myself, like it just means that substitution by name. It means that you put something in for something, like something standing in for something. Just like now, for like between a mother and a child. Let's say the mother go for an outing and the mother is not home, and maybe the mother can say, okay, stand in for me, I'm coming. Stand in for me, stay at home on my behalf, then I will be back shortly. Now if the child is substituting for the mother, is standing in gap pending the time the mother will arrive. So this what we just do. This is what this is actually all about. So we have to solve x plus 3y equals to 6, equation 1, and 2x plus y equals to 7, equation 2, by using substitution method. So let's start. Looking at this now, to solve something like this is very simple. Now we have to consider the first equation and consider the second equation. Now the first equation, we're going to look at all the variables we have there. This x now, is it having a coefficient? Is it having a coefficient? Yes, which is what? 1. Because it's standing alone, okay? It's not 2 that is decided, so it's just 1. We can call it 1x or x. That means it's having a coefficient of 1. Now, how many coefficients is this y having? Y is having 3 as its coefficients. This y is 3, okay? So then our constant here for the first equation is 6. So we come on to the second equation. The coefficient of our x here is 2. The coefficient of our y here is plus 1. And we have a constant to be 7. Alright, so we want to solve for that. How do we solve for that? We need to make something sort of the formula from either of the equation. Then after that, we substitute whatever we get into the second equation. We progress like that till we get the value for x and y. So follow me as we solve together. So from equation 1 now, sorry, I shortened the equation. We have x, let me repeat it, x plus 3y equals to 6. So we are going to make x, because if you want to make y solve the formula, it's going to take a long time. Like we have to divide it and get it. It's not hard actually, to make it very fast. I'll still do something of such, okay? For this time, let me just deal with this first, and after that, we look at an example that is similar to what I said earlier. So make x subject of the formula such that x will be equals to 7 followed in our constant, and this plus 3y will move to the other side, it becomes minus 3y, don't forget. So this forms our equation 3. Yeah, are we together? Yes. If you're in SS2, SS1, even SS3 students, some of them struggle with this. So I beseech you, I implore you to actually watch. Most students struggle with this. Yes. Most secondary school students struggle with this. So if you're in even SS3 do it. SS3, SS1, SS2, SS3 probably. So watch it for better understanding, okay? Alright, let's move on. So we're going to substitute the value of x here into our second equation. So substitute x equals to 6 minus 3y into equation 2. Alright, so now anytime you see x, you're going to write 6 minus 3y. So I have here 2. Instead of going to write my x, I'll write what I wrote here. 6 minus 3y, close bracket. Then plus y equals to 7. So we're going to look for the value of y now. So the next thing to do is to open the brackets. Open the brackets. So 2 multiplied by 6 will give me 12. and minus 2 times 3 is 6. Then the y follows, okay? So we have plus y equals to 7. So okay, let's do something here. 12 now minus 6y plus y. What does it mean? I have 1 yam, okay? I represent my y by yam. I have 1 yam and I'm going someone 6 yam. And the person is like pressing me, give me my yam, give me my yam. What do? I don't have money to buy other yam for now. So that I give the person the only 1 yam I have. I give the person, take this for now. Pending the time I will get the remaining yam. So now, if I give the person 1 yam out of the 6 yam I'm owing him or her, definitely I'm still having 5 more yams left that I'm still owing the person, okay? So to indicate that, I'm going to put a negative sign, okay? Negative sign must be at the front of that my 5. So that means minus 6y plus y will give me minus 5y. Then equals to 7. Alright, we can collect like terms now. Collect like terms. Okay, so we have in collecting like terms, values, numbers with alphabet will come to a particular side and constant will go to another side. So for this side now we have minus 5y, because we're looking for the value of y equals to this 7 remains here. Now this 12, when it crosses an equal sign to this side, it becomes minus 12. So that will be minus 5y equals to 7 minus 12 give me minus 5. This is how it is. I'm owing someone 12 naira and I have 7 naira with me. If I give the person 7 naira out of the 12 naira I'm owing the person, definitely I'm still owing the person 5 naira. Are we together? Yeah. So that will be minus 5. So since minus is common to both sides, I can decide to cross out minus here. So we have 5y equals to 5. We're looking for the value of y. So what will we do? Y is having a quotient, which is 5. We need to cross out that 5 so that y can stand alone. So divide both sides by 5. So we have 5y over 5 equals to 5 over 5. So 5 can cross out 5 here. So y stand alone. 5 here 1, 5 here 1. So we have 1 over 1 is what? 1. Therefore y is what? 1. Now substitute y equals to 1 into equation 3. That's our new equation. Don't forget. And equation 3 is what? X equals to 6 minus 3y. Such that whenever I see y, you need to put your 1 there so that you can get your answer. So x equals to 6 minus 3 open bracket 1 close bracket. X equals to 6 minus 3 times 1 is what? 3. So x equals to 3. Therefore, our y equals to 1 and x equals to 3. So that's our final answer. In case you don't understand it, you can watch it, and rewatch it for better understanding. Alright, thank you very much. Bye.